up, Tire Garage TV? Welcome to another episode. Yo, you know what you're watching. This is Tire Garage TV. My name is Pablo, and you're watching the Tire Garage TV. I own a small tire shop in Santa Ana, Southern California, and this channel is all about what it's like to own a shop, all the fun, crazy stuff I do with cars. So, thank you for watching. Oh, hit that subscribe button. Go follow the Instagram, go follow the Snapchat, and you'll see some of the crazy shit that I do around there. So yeah, follow along. Yo, today I got something a little interesting, something that usually doesn't come in. I got an F-250. More importantly, I think you're gonna hear it, it's a diesel. And honestly, it's a badass truck. It's a 2005 F-250. It's the Harley Davidson edition. Check this out. Let me turn it off so you guys can hear me better. Check that out. And it's a badass truck. I like it. It's very roomy in the rear. You got passengers. You got plenty of room. Plenty of pull too. So if you want to pull a boat, I'm interested in buying a boat later on. So a truck like this would be freaking awesome. 240,000 miles, which is fairly young for a diesel still. What are we doing to it today? Well, actually, parts just arrived. We're doing two front shocks, and then it came in because of this. He thought it was actually something in the suspension, but I'm like, no, dude, look, it's your tire. I deflated it because I didn't want it to explode. I left the BMW here last night, so I didn't want it to explode overnight. But I can literally put my finger in here. See that? Now, it didn't explode, it didn't pop, because the bottom layer of the rubber is still intact. So that's what held on, but it had a big lump right here. Like, you can literally see a big lump. So he says he was on the freeway and he just all of a sudden started feeling it, just a lot of vibration. I'm assuming the tire was doing this the whole time, so it was crazy. Regardless though, he does need shocks. He's gonna do the two back ones later on, but for now we're gonna do the two front ones. So I think it's time to say it. Let's get to work. Tires aren't here yet, so I think I'm gonna just start working on the shocks. I like to do everything together, so I guess I'm gonna wait a little bit. But tires should be here probably in 2 or 3 hours. So I gotta wait for a little bit. And I got paperwork to do and a video to edit, so let's get to work. All right, here's what we got so far. So she's tilted on her side because I got one wheel up. See, the thing is, I gotta lift it from the frame, not actually from the torsion bar, because this thing has torsion bars. So let's take a seat so I can show you. I'm gonna take the wheel off. Now, they don't come off nearly as easy as you just saw. The thing is, I just cracked them loose with this breaker bar because fuckers are on tight as hell. So it looks like the wheel hasn't been taken off in years for this car. That's why it was so hard to get them loose. I should have recorded that. It was hard to get it loose. I had to do it with my foot. That's how bad it was. So here's what we're looking at. So taking that off, that whole shock should just come out. So it's really easy to do. Nothing's gonna pop off, spring's not gonna explode on you, nothing like that. So no need to worry there. But always put something at the bottom to support either way. You never want anything to just, it is a spring, it is loaded. So, just be mindful of that. And that one I usually loosen up first, then I loosen that one when I can shake it around a little bit, then I loosen the bottom one up, and then it'll come out. See how this one's all loose? Whoops. See, that's all loose. So I know there's no tension there. okay? That's when I feel a lot more safe doing this one too. There you are. A really old and fucked up shock. Look how easy that thing is to push down. That's really easy, and then it doesn't pop back up. So it's not how it should be. So definitely needed new ones. I almost forgot the finishing touch. Make sure this is very important. Make sure it's nice and straight. There you go. There you go. There you go. And if you work at a body shop, put some clear coat over it. That way it's nice. It stays. Represented forever. By the way, KYB did not pay me for this, so KYB, send me a check, please. I'm not sponsored, nor am I supported by anybody, so... But I often use KYB, so I don't mind. Whatever. It's KYB, send me a check. Send me a check, dude. I'll put a link down below, too, where you can get these type of shocks. Amazon has them pretty good price, so I'll put a link down below. Click the link down below, and then up on the search bar, click on your car, and make sure it matches. If anything, just give Amazon a call. They'll set you up, they'll help you out, make sure they fit your car. That way, it's perfect on and off type of thing. Cool? Cool, cool, cool. Cool? So let's see, let's check out the tire. Here in the sun. Look at it. You see that? It's pretty much down to like the last level of rubber. So that thing should have exploded. Fortunately though, it didn't explode and he's okay. But he did feel like the bounciness of the tire, which I'm surprised. I'm surprised that it didn't explode. So, okay, tires are here. Tires are here. This is the tire we're looking at. LT275 6520. Let's get to work. Yo, the truck is done and ready to go. Customer actually already came, picked it up. He was in a bit of a rush, so we had to get out of here. I didn't get any images of it driving away, which I should have. He'll be back for sure because he needs the two rear shocks and two rear tires. So we just did the front. Next time we're gonna do the back. Maybe I'll do a video for that too. They're pretty easy, just kind of like the front. Remember, it's a diesel, so it's a heavier truck. But go down to the description down below and click on those links. Help support the channel. Whatever you're gonna buy, all the tools and stuff from the headlamp to the breaker bar, all those tools are down at the description down below, okay? You can get those on Amazon. Even if you don't buy the tools, just go support the channel. Click on the link below. It takes you to whatever that tool is, but go buy something else. You can buy from toilet paper to, mascara if you want, whatever. Just go buy something and it helps support the channel. I appreciate you, love you. Hit that subscribe, hit that like button, share it, and let's get to work. Let's get to work.